In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the course icon on your global navigation. So the course icon looks like this little book. When you hover over it, you'll see that it shows courses. When I click on that, it's going to show me all of the published courses and unpublished courses that are on my dashboard. If I go to the bottom, it says all courses. All courses is going to bring me a list of all of the courses that I have either published or unpublished. So that means courses that I might be enrolled in as a student or courses that I might be a teacher in. Now you'll notice in this list that I have some of the courses with a star next to it. That means all of the courses that I have a star by are right now appearing on my dashboard. It's really important that you go in here to star the ones that you want on your dashboard, because as the year progresses and maybe you have more and more courses, especially if you're a secondary teacher on your dashboard, you may not want all of them. You might want first term courses, for instance, in here in your course list, but you don't want them on your dashboard if it is term 2 or term 3. So going in here and just selecting by placing a star next to that course will then make that course appear on your dashboard. You'll also notice over to the right, it's telling me which courses I'm enrolled in as a teacher, a student, or an observer, and if they are published or not. If I wanted to create a new course, and really the main reason if you'd want to create a course is if you maybe want a sandbox for you to kind of explore and navigate Canvas. We don't recommend having more than one sandbox though, because it clutters up the overall Canvas district platform. But if you did want to create a sandbox for your course, that is how you would create it right here under Start a New Course. Once you create your course, it will then appear in your courses. And if you wanted that on the dashboard, you would just put a star on it and it would appear on your dashboard.